Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing minimalistic two-sided friendship bracelet. Are you ready? Let's begin. To make this bracelet you're going to need 4 strings, each about 140 centimeters long, and 2 strings, each about 60 centimeters long. I already made twisted ties at the beginning of my bracelet, since I like to start and end my bracelets with twisted ties. If you don't know how to make them, I'll be posting a tutorial next week. Now, I'm going to show you how to make shape start for your friendship bracelets. You start by taking one of the shorter strings and making a forward-backward knot on the rest of the strings. Then you put that string aside and take one of the longer strings and again make a forward-backward knot onto the rest of your strings. Then you put the string aside as well and take another longer string and again make a forward-backward knot on the rest of your strings. Put that string aside, take the next longer string and again make a forward-backward knot on the rest of your strings. Put that one aside as well and take the last longer string and make a forward-backward knot on the last string, which is the second shorter string. Now you have the shorter strings in the first and last position and the longer ones in the middle. Let's start knotting now. Take the first 2 strings and make a backward-forward knot with the second string, leading one, onto the first one. Put the first string aside, the shorter one, and make a forward knot with the leading string onto the third string. Then put the third string aside and make a forward knot onto the fourth string as well. Then take the last of the longer strings and make a forward knot onto that one as well. To finish this row, we need to make a forward-backward knot with our leading string onto the last string, the shorter one. And our first row is done. I'm going to repeat the process slowly once again. You, again, take the first 2 strings, first one being the shorter one, and make a backward-forward knot with the second string, leading one, onto the first one. Put the first string, the shorter one, aside and make a forward knot with the leading string onto the third string. Put the third string aside and make a forward knot onto the fourth string as well. Take the last of the longer strings again and make a forward knot onto that one as well. To finish this row, we need to make a forward-backward knot with our leading string onto the last string again. And our second row is done. Let's quickly do one more row and then I'll show you how to adjust the top of the bracelet so it looks prettier. Making a backward-forward knot at the start of the row and a forward-backward knot at the end of the row is called straight edges technique, because they make the edges of the bracelet look straighter. Once we finish the third row as well, we'll adjust the top of the bracelet so it looks prettier. Start by pressing the left edge with your thumb so it stays in place, and use your index finger to slowly push the right side of the bracelet inwards. Then use your fingers to push both sides inwards, like shown in the video, to make the start look prettier. At this point, I take another piece of tape and tape it over the first few rows I made, so they stay in place while I knot another few rows. Then I take the tape off, straighten the bracelet and repeat the process. Let me show you. So, once you've knotted a few more rows, take the tape off, straighten the edges with your fingers, like this. Put the tape back on and continue knotting. I repeat this process after every few new rows I make, just to make sure the edges are straight. Once you are satisfied with the length of your bracelet, we'll finish it by making a shaped end. First, you take the first two strings of your bracelet and make a backward-forward knot with the second string onto the first one. Then, take the third string and make a backward knot onto the first two strings. Then, take the fourth string and make a backward knot onto the first three strings. Then, take the fifth string and make a backward knot onto the first 4 strings. Finally, take the last string and make a backward knot onto the rest of the strings. And your shaped end is done. Now, all that's left to do are the twisted ties and your bracelet is done. You can make this bracelet thicker by adding more longer strings into the mix. And here it is, this easy to make, but looking amazing on both sides friendship bracelet. Hope you find this video useful, and if you did, like and comment, subscribe and turn on notifications. Speak to you next week. Bye!